Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the rainbow token.
It's easy to get this token. All you need to do is open up your browser, and once the browser has been opened up, you're logged on to coinmarketcap.com. Simply scroll down and copy the contract address. Once you've copied the contract address, scroll till you find the market section. Now on the market, you have a look at all of the exchanges, that's both decentralized and centralized exchanges that are hosting the rainbow tokens. As you can see, we've got Balancer, BitGet, Mexi, Uniswap, Bitmart, and CoinX. The exchanges we're going to be making use of are the centralized exchange Mexi and the decentralized exchange Uniswap. So to get this done, take note of their trading pairs. For Mexi, the rainbow token is trading against the dollar, and on Uniswap is trading against the wrapped Matic. So all you need to do now is simply minimize, open up your Mexi application. Please make sure you have an account on Mexi. If you do not have an account on Mexi, by using our link in the description of the video, you can stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. And once you've been able to register and verify your account, head to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen, click on the deposit icon that you see, and simply deposit any cryptocurrency that can be converted into the USDT, or deposit the USDT itself. Once you've gotten yourself some crypto, simply head over to the fiat section and click on buy crypto. Now, the fiat section is simply using your fiat currency to gain some cryptocurrency, which is basically selling your fiat currency for some cryptocurrency. So if you've got some money on your Euro card, like 1,000 euros, all you need to do is enter the amount of euros you wish to spend, and you'll be getting the equivalent in USDT. That's crypto. Simply click on buy USDT to complete the transaction. Once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head to the trading icon at the bottom of the screen. Where we have the Gorilla USDT, click on Gorilla USDT and search for RBW. That's RBW, the rainbow token. And now click on Rainbow USDT. Where we have market or limit, whatever is shown here, click on it and select the market. By doing this, we get to buy the token at the current price of the market without any changes. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to spend and click on Buy RBW. Once you've bought the rainbow token, head to the wallet section, scroll to the fiat, reload, and you'd find the rainbow tokens here. Another option of getting the rainbow token is by using a wallet, and you could make use of either your MetaMask or your Trust wallet. Both of them perform the same actions. Click on the Trust wallets. Okay guys, and once you're on the Trust wallet platform, how can we get ourselves some rainbow tokens? It's pretty easy. Make sure you have some Matic. That's the Polygon Matic. Click on the Polygon Matic, this Matic here. Once you have this Matic, or if you do not have any of the Matic, click on the buy option, enter an amount of Matic you wish to buy with your credit card. And once that's done, head to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll till you find the Uniswap exchange. Once you found Uniswap, click on the Uniswap. Where we have the connect icon at the top right corner of the screen, click on connect and simply make sure you've connected your wallet. Now, once that's done, where we have network icon, click on Ethereum and select Polygon. Once you've selected the Polygon option, click on the select tokens option, and we're going to be swapping it for, that's the mainnet Polygon. We're going to be swapping it for the wrapped Matic. Click on the wrapped Matic, enter the amount of Matic you wish to convert into the wrapped Matic. So let's say I want to convert everything. Click on wrap, and you're taken to a menu where you simply enter your passcode and perform the transaction. So click on the approve option. Once you've approved the transaction, we're going to be getting some wrapped Matic. The transaction becomes pending, and once it's completed or verified, you can easily convert your wrapped Matic into the rainbow token. So simply paste the contract address we just copied, that's for the rainbow token, paste the contract address, click on the rainbow token, click on I understand. Now all you need to do is enter an amount of Matic you wish to swap for the rainbow token and simply click on the swap option. Click on swap, and you're asked to confirm the swap. So click on confirm swap once more, approve and swap. Click on approve once more, enter the passcode. You'd be asked to sign, so simply sign by entering your passcode. Once you've signed your passcode, the swap has been confirmed. And now you can successfully swap your wrapped Matic into the Rainbow token. And the swap is pending. Once it's completed, you'd be notified. And boom, swap success. So guys, how can we find the Rainbow tokens on our wallet? Head to the home icon where we have the crypto tab at the top right. Click on the crypto tab, click on the plus icon where we have the network, select Ethereum and select Matic. Paste the contract address for the Rainbow token. Simply click on imports and you'd find the Rainbow tokens on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.